Good morning, dear students. Today we'll discuss the practical which is to be performed, and you have to write the experiments in your science practical record. So you'll buy science practical record, comprehensive Lakshmi publications. There should be a uniformity. So every one of you will buy science practical record, comprehensive Lakshmi publications. Okay. And in this record, in the beginning, experiments are written of physics, chemistry and biology. So from there you will copy down the contents. Okay, so your first experiment in chemistry, experiment number 1, aim of the experiment is to prepare true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. You have to prepare true solution of common salt, sugar or alum. Colloidal solution of starch in water or egg albumin in water. And you have to prepare suspension of sand in water or soil in water or chalk powder in water. You will prepare these 3 solutions, true solution, colloidal solution and suspension, and distinguish between them on the basis of 3 properties, that is transparency, filtrability and stability. Okay. So this is the aim of your experiment. So students, how you will write the experiment, I will tell you. First you will write experiment number 1 with black pen. Then number 1 you will write aim in black pen. And what is the aim that you will write in blue pen? Okay. Second, what you will write? Materials required. Okay. For this experiment, the materials required you will write. So again, number 2, materials required, you will write in black pen. When what are the materials required, that you will write in blue pen. Okay. Next, third you will write theory. This is important, you will not skip it. Means you will write about true solution, colloidal solution and about suspension. Okay. Next, number 4, you will write procedure or observation table. For this experiment, you will write observation table. In any experiment, you will find out, in any of the experiment which you are writing, you will find out whether a procedure is given or observation table. If observation table is there, you will not write procedure. After theory, what you will write? Observation table. You will not write procedure if there is observation table. Observation table means 3 columns are there. Experiment, observation and inference. So if observation table is there, you will write observation table in plain side of the record, not in the ruled page. And if observation table is not there, then you will write procedure. So for this experiment, there is observation table. So you will write observation table on the plain side of the record after theory. Aim, materials required, theory in ruled page. Observation table, plain side of the record. Okay. After that, fifth result. And then sixth, precautions. What precautions you have to take while performing this experiment. So this is the order you should write. Aim, then materials required, theory, you will not skip it. Then if observation table is there, fourth point will be observation table. If observation table is not there, then you will write procedure. Then result and then precautions. So this you will get in your science practical record comprehensive, which you will buy in the beginning. A list of experiments are there. So you will copy down the things from there. Okay? And about two solution, colloidal solution and suspension, the properties we have discussed in the last class. Okay? In your theory. And now I'll send you the practical demonstration of this experiment in your YouTube link in the portal. Okay, so you'll view the practical demonstration of this experiment and then you will write the experiment number 1 in your science practical record very neatly. Okay. And diagram if there, you'll draw on the plain side of the record. Diagram if there is in the experiment, you'll draw on the plain side of the record. Okay.